Guys, yesterday I revealed that I had bought billions of Luna for just a couple of thousand. Well, today Luna is up a lot, and I'm going to talk about why Luna is actually going up right now. Should you still be holding Luna? Should you be buying Luna? What should you do? We're also, of course, talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about everything you need to know right now, and this weekend is extremely important. I think that with a high degree of certainty, you are going to see another big move in Bitcoin this weekend. So we need to talk about why in this video, guys. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. And what a wild couple of days it has been. So just for complete transparency, I got completely wrecked on Terra USD, this one. So, I had a significant amount of Terra USD, and yeah, I got wrecked on this. This is right now not at $1, it's at 17 cents still. So yeah, I did get wrecked on that. But one thing I did not really get that wrecked on is actually Terra Luna, because as you know on Twitter, I was telling you, like, look, this is gonna continue to crash. When people were buying at, $50, I said it's gonna continue to crash. When people were buying at 10, I said it's gonna continue to crash. When people were buying at 5 cents, I said it's still going to continue to crash. But it did reach a point in which I saw a big opportunity, right? So this is why I put out the video yesterday where I talked about that I had just bought billions of Terra here for, thousands of dollars. And today, Terra is up. I mean, just look at this. This is completely insane. And, the thousands of dollars I put into Luna was worth this morning hundreds of thousands of dollars, which I also said here on Twitter. So I did go ahead and take profit on that, guys. When something is going up like that, this is probably not going to continue forever. If you just look at the market cap, it's already at $1.7 billion. So for this to, 100x from this point, well, it's at like $170 billion, right? So, I mean, it cannot do that. I mean, unless they do something drastically different with the network, but just know that there is limited upside left. Like from a logical perspective, there's limited upside left for Terra Luna. I still have some. I sold about 80% of my bag now that it went up several 100%. So I, several 100x, I should say. So I did take some profit on Luna, still holding about 20%. That's fine. That's my moon bag. If it goes anywhere, it's not going to go close to where it was. But I mean, even if it just gets to, $1, if they implement some burning mechanism or anything like that, you might start to see some good opportunities here as well by holding Luna from this point on. But I would not buy Luna right now, guys. Yesterday was the time to buy, or 2 days ago when it was at literally zero when I spoke about it in this video. But now very, very risky to get into Luna or Terra USD for that matter as well. So be very careful out there, guys. I took 80% profit, still holding 20%. And yeah, that's my moon bag. We will see what happens with that. Now, let's talk about the latest proposal. Why is Terra Luna going up right now? Well, apart from it being, at a very low price, and that's the reason why it is even able to have these kind of pumps, well, we do have some proposals, right? So a lot of people are proposing a lot of different stuff. The leading proposal right now seems to be that they are going to fork the network. And if they fork the network, they are going to consider the network at the time of the depegging, basically. So for everyone who are buying Luna right now, there's a high chance that if this proposal goes through, your Luna is going to be worth less, okay? So there is that, completely worthless. There is that possibility. So be careful with that, guys. But if this doesn't get through and you don't see that fork, well, maybe they're going to try to do something with the actual network as its state is right now by implementing maybe Luna burn on transactions, maybe something else. I mean, I can see this going in a couple of different ways. But the people buying right now, basically, they are betting on the Luna network not being forked. And yeah, being able to just scoop up Luna at a very cheap price. But remember, it has a ridiculous supply already. So, I mean, yeah, there is limited upside left for Terra Luna. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. And let's talk about a massive move potentially about to happen here. So what we can see on Bitcoin is that after having this V-shaped recovery here, going above the orange box, going above the two red lines, we're now finding ourselves below here. We're finding ourselves trying to break through this red line here. So at 29,552. So this is resistance right now for Bitcoin. Let's see. I mean, we are most likely going to see a big move this weekend. I will tell you why. Because this is the first weekend after this big volatility we've seen throughout the week. So going into the weekend where we get the lowest liquidity, I expect large market makers are going to test positions extensively. Pegs, pull ratios, leverage position hunting, perpetual rates. This is player versus player mode. So make sure you aren't levered up to an 11. So I mean, you're gonna see the whales. You're gonna see something happen this weekend. This is what Adam Cochran, who is a very smart guy, is actually saying here. Also, Chris Bernisky, wait until crypto fund redemptions start to take effect, or staked assets pass their unbonding period and get sold, or NFT newcomers freak and sell their art for Ethereum and then Ethereum for USD, or the next Ponzi blows up, or big company insolvency is declared, or boom, 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 boom. There's a couple of different reasons why you are going to continue to see Bitcoin have massive volatility and crypto overall have massive volatility in the next couple of weeks. So we need to be prepared for that, but also definitely this weekend, we need to be prepared for these people, these whales, market makers, try to take advantage of the current situation. So be careful out there, guys. Don't be overexposed. Even though, today you are seeing some cryptos, but Terra Luna definitely having a nice pump. We are not out of the woods yet, but I'm going to stick to what I've always been saying. I am going to be a big buyer below 30K here. If we go any lower, I will be a big buyer. And so that is my opinion about that. Other than that, we are having this candle, this weekly candle right now below the red line. Still have 2 days left. If we can see a rally here above the red line here on the weekly time frame, on the longer term weekly time frame, that is perfect for Bitcoin here. For Ethereum, nothing really special going on here. We're still, after having this drop, we're going kind of sideways, kind of mirroring the Bitcoin moves right now. So yeah, that's basically what I got for you today, guys. Be very careful with Luna. For everyone who got into Luna at the bottom with me yesterday, congratulations on your profits. Luna is, by the way, being traded on Bybit, in which you are able to get $4,530 if you use my link right here as a bonus. But as I said, be extremely careful. My Luna positions, the money I threw at Luna just as a gamble here was like 0.001 maybe % of my portfolio. So, I mean, yeah, don't do anything stupid, but if you want to claim this bonus and trade Luna, you can do that on Bybit, but don't do anything stupid, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.